Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from AMA Meditime, and this video is all about the Bellanova. I'm going to show you how to set up your new device and how to properly perform treatments on your clients. When you take Bellanova out of the box, it will look like this. But don't worry, because Bellanova is easy to set up, so let's get to it. Bellanova comes with these parts and accessories seen here: an iron rod, a laser connector, a DC adapter, and 2 nano guns, along with 4 interchangeable nano gun heads and the Bellanova user manual. The iron rod, which your client will hold during the treatment, will go in the slot here and will plug in the back right here. The blue hose and the laser connector that looks like this will plug in the back where it says pressure and just turn to lock. The other end of the same blue hose will look like this and goes on the bottom of the nano gun and just turn to lock. The nano gun heads are easy to install. Just look for the designated hole up top and snap it on like this. The black cord with the green top within the laser connector that looks like this will plug in up top where it says laser and just twist to lock. The other end of the same cord will plug into the back of your nano gun and just turn to lock. The last cord within the laser connector looks like this and will plug in the back where it says ion. The other end will go on the side of your nano gun. Now that's done, just set it on top. And your other nano gun can be set up the same way when you're ready. The DC adapter plugs in the back of the Bellanova in the top right here where it says adapter. Now it's time to fill up your nano gun. It's recommended to use either the Ionto P or Ionto V solution from Histolab, depending on your client's needs. The solution goes in at the top of your nano gun, and you only need to use 8 millimeters of solution per session. When you're done, just make sure to put the cap back on. And just a little bit about the laser. The low-level laser is a 660 nanometer diode laser. Bellanova comes with 6 preset modes for your clients, and you can always adjust them to better fit your needs. The time ranges from 0 to 60 minutes and adjusts in an increment of 5 minutes. The milliampere level can also be adjusted from 0 to 8 or 0 to 200 milliamperes. The level or frequency can be adjusted from 0 to 8 or 0 to 990 Hz. To start, lightly glide the nano gun over your client's face and neck for 5 minutes per side. The solution side will create a mist, which are the nanoparticles spraying through the gun and penetrating into the skin. Next, we're taking our Histolab Water Max Hydrating Cream and applying that to the client's face and neck. It's best to work on one side at a time. Then, you'll use a nano gun on the side with the moisturizer, like you see here, and then switch to the other side and do the same thing. The Bellanova treatment is most effective when combined with skin massaging during your session for more of a tightening effect and a greater reduction in wrinkles. The final outcome varies and is based on how much your spa service provider massages. Bellanova helps improve aging skin by improving blood circulation, moisture, the look of wrinkles, and skin texture. The Bellanova is an all-in-one nano mist therapy device that provides light therapy through a low-level laser that improves blood circulation and cell activation, moisture from the creation of natural anions, and provides an anti-inflammatory effect on skin, while also providing nutrients deep into the skin through the nanogun and with the help of electroporation from the ion rod. For more information, or if you have any questions about the Bellanova, please visit our website at amameditime.com or call us at 909-274-7700.